This is going to be a week of being in and out of the house, so trying to think of some quick and easy recipes. So tonight I'm going to be making pineapple rice. So come along with me and let's get started. This might be fun to show you guys our little coffee room. It's a solarium, so it's surrounded in glass, and we have seating around the outside edges. And of course, if you know the Lincolns, we love our coffee. So I got the little coffee maker out here, little coffee grinder, and some bench seating along here, and a old-time table that my dad made out of some beams. So look at this beautiful day. We got the sun shining and the beautiful Alaska trees. So I just wanted to share my breakfast today. So when I first get up in the morning, I get some frozen berries out, like about a cup of the mixed berries, and then have my coffee, and then I go ahead and I get some Greek yogurt and I put it on, drizzle on some honey, and I got some hemp hearts, some flax, ground flax, and some bananas, a little bit of coconut, and some chopped up almonds. So it makes a really good quick breakfast. Get my day started off right. This week's kind of cool for us because we're going to be having new windows put in. Our windows were put in the 80s, and here in Alaska we kind of have a lot of cold weather, and if you look at this window, one is really foggy and one is clear, and we get moisture built up between the panes. So after a long wait, we're going to be getting brand new windows put in our house. So I am really excited to be showing you guys how they are gonna turn out. Alright, we do have a hole in our house today because they're putting in our big window. So this is very exciting. We got a hole in our house, look at that. Hi.
Hello.
This is exciting.
Hey, don't put it upside down.
Yeah.
That'd be embarrassing.
I've only done that one time.
Oh boy. There goes the first window.
Cooking school, we always baked our rice, and it turns out absolutely perfect every time. So in my aluminum pan, I went ahead and I rinsed off 2 cups of rice, and now I'm going to go ahead and add 4 1/4 cups of boiling water, and I got my oven all heated up, and I've already added 1.5 teaspoons of salt also. And then all you do is cover it with foil, put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and yeah, it comes out wonderful. Go ahead and put it on in the oven. Oh, and I forgot to also put it in, but I went ahead and added a tablespoon of butter. So you don't have to, but I did. For my pineapple rice today, I'm going to be using half a package of this tofu, and I've put it on paper towels, cut it in chunks, and I'm letting it drain a little bit. I'm going to fry it in some coconut oil and then put it in the oven to get crispy. I have a little bit of chicken I'm going to be adding, but this is what I have today. You can add only chicken, only tofu, or not use any meat at all. Got the tofu cooking in some coconut oil to get it brown. And I'm also toasting some cashews. Whenever you toast nuts, make sure you're stirring them because they do burn quite easily. Right, got the cashews all golden. The tofu is looking pretty good. And the timer just went off, so I'm going to check the rice. And there you go, like perfect. Going in the oven to crisp up just a little bit more. I got some red onion cut up, some cilantro, I got some fresh garlic, already cooked, paste, and cut up pineapple. Got the onions sauteing with the garlic and some sesame, toasted sesame oil and some coconut oil together. Added in some cilantro, and I had a little bit of chicken left over, and the pineapple. So I added some rice and some tamari sauce. I'm going to be frying it all in there and then maybe adding more rice. We'll see. Alright, I used a little over half of the rice that I cooked. And now I've added in the crispy tofu and been stir-frying it all together, and the only thing left is some cashews on top, and time to eat. How's it looking?
Looks delicious, as always. Yay.
Such a nice night out that we're eating dinner on the deck and getting ready to eat our pineapple rice. Haley, you having a good day?
Yeah.
What did you do today that was so fun?
Swimming.
Yeah, it was your first day?
I've been swimming before.
Yeah.
First day this year.
Yeah, that's awesome. All right, well, we're gonna pray, ask the Lord to bless this meal, and go ahead and have our dinner. My favorite show is on, so you think you can dance.